It's time today. Reading the text you saved us. Don't remember it anyway. It was an afternoon of yesterday when we planned to play a game. We teamed up with each other, but we didn't win 'cause habits away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of our team. And maybe I haven't moved on since that day. 'Cause it's 1:31.
Ang pinsan kong tumutugtog. Hindi.
O 1:30 na lang.
1:30 na lang. Ay, 1:31 na lang.
'Cause it's 1:31. And it's my bedtime. Wag naman yan.
Kamay lang, hindi naman mo ka.